Hi friends, today I will be decorating my home for Valentine's Day, and I'm really excited about today's video because this honestly will be the very first time ever that I have decorated my home for this holiday. I maybe have put balloons out in celebration, but I've never actually added Valentine's Day decor to my home. So I'm excited to give this a try and make my home festive again after taking down all of my Christmas decor. So all of the decor I will be sharing in today's video is very budget friendly. In fact, extremely budget friendly because most of it is from the Dollar Tree. I have to say I was really surprised at their selection, and I'll be sharing a little bit of that with you, show you what they had in my particular store here locally, my Dollar Tree store, and I'm even sharing a couple super simple DIYs. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you decorate for this holiday, and if not, hopefully by watching you gain a few ideas that you might want to implement in your homes. And with that being said, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's begin. As you can see, they had so much to choose from. I was really impressed with their selection. They had all kinds of goodie bags, gift bags. I was surprised to see those little silicone heart molds. They had buckets and cookie tins, which are perfect for gift giving. And they had little cute Valentine headband with the heart like antennas. So cute and festive. All kinds of crafts, which are perfect for the little ones. They had honestly more than I expected. I spent a lot more time here than I intended to, and I just thought I would share this with you guys in case you were wondering what is out at the Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. They have so many things that I think you would find interesting, and it's a great way to save money in case you're like me and you don't have any Valentine's Day decor at all. So this was a great place to start. Before I start decorating, I thought I would share with you the things I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So we will begin over here with this cute frame, and they had a lot of frames to choose from, but I thought this one would look cute on the shelves here in my kitchen, as well as this heart. They had this heart in red also, which I actually did pick up a red one. I don't think I have it over on my fireplace mantle, but excited to use those. I'm definitely going to use those. Some of the decor I'm a little iffy. I don't know if I will use it or not. I'm just going to kind of play with it. I thought I would try to make my own garland, kind of like a banner garland with these doily hearts, and just, you know, string these white, pink, and red hearts together, and then maybe paste these little smaller hearts on top to add a little bit more detail. Thought that would be cute, so I'm going to give that a try. And I love these fairy lights, especially these ones with the hearts. I thought these were just adorable. And then they have these more basic ones that are pink. And then I also picked up this tin, and I'm planning to use this as a decorative item on my shelves here in the kitchen. But you could obviously use these as, you know, to gift little goodies to that special someone. I also picked up this tinsel garland, but I'm not planning to use it as garland. I'm thinking I'll cut it up and use it as filler to fill either a vase, or I'm planning to put 2 lanterns on my fireplace mantle, so maybe I'll see how that looks to put some of this in those lanterns. I don't know, we will see. I also picked up this blank canvas, and my plan is to do a little DIY and add some watercolor X's and O's to this. I thought that would be really cute. I believe these are vases because I think they're too large to be considered a glass, but how cute is that? And then this one has hearts all over it. I just thought these were absolutely adorable. Last but not least, I forgot to mention these hanging hearts. How cute is that? And I'm thinking I will use these on my slider door. I have 2 of these, so I think I'll put one on each side of that door. I think that would be really cute, and I just love how it's all sparkly. Here is the area of my kitchen I will be decorating today, and I'm going to start by creating this artwork using that canvas I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding watercolor paint that I got from my daughter's coloring books, and I am not an artist by any means, so it did not turn out exactly the way I wanted it, but I love that it's something that I created. It just adds a personal touch to the decor. So the color scheme that I'm going with for my Valentine's Day decor obviously is reds, little touches of pinks and whites, and that is it. I am going to reuse the bottle brush trees that I used in my Christmas decor because I feel like since we're still in winter, they are very wintry, and I like how they complement. They just coordinate really well with the white and red Valentine's Day decor. So that is my plan, and if you're new to my channel, we actually recently installed these shelves. They are from IKEA, and this past Christmas was the very first holiday that I was able to decorate them, and I had the best time decorating these shelves. They are so fun to decorate, and I'm excited to now be decorating them for Valentine's Day. So the serving bowls that you see me putting up and these little plates I already had, but pretty much everything else, like the bottle brush trees I had on hand. These hearts bowls I got recently from Home Goods. Couldn't resist them. I thought they were just adorable. And I also got one other item from Home Goods that I'll show later in the video, some garland that is, again, so cute. I couldn't resist it. And yeah, like I said, everything else is gonna be from the Dollar Tree.
So young, maybe 20-something. We were living in a fantasy. I knew right from the start you were the other half of my heart. Ooh, half of my heart. Oh, I could spend every single day staring into your beautiful blue. Every single day, every single hour. We're growing older together now, but I still feel young when I'm with you. We were so young, maybe 20-something.
As I was decorating, I was getting so excited with how everything was turning out. When I bought the Dollar Tree decor, I was a little iffy if I would use it or how I would use it, but everything just went together perfectly. And to top it off, I decided to create this little banner using ribbon that I already had on hand. And this is so easy if you want to make this yourself. I simply taped the doily hearts to the ribbon and then added the smaller felt hearts to the top of the doily hearts. And even better, the felt hearts already had sticky adhesive on the back, so I didn't have to use any glue or tape to attach them.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama. I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
You can't decorate for Valentine's Day without adding candy. So I'm gonna fill this apothecary jar with some conversation hearts, and just a trick to fill these jars so you're not buying a bunch of candy to fill them. Put a cup in the middle of the jar and fill and pour the candy around the cup, and that way it looks like the jar is completely filled with candy even though it's not. It's a great trick. So I thought I would share that with you in case you didn't already know it. I'm sure probably a lot of you already know that trick, but just thought I would share that here. And then for the other jar, instead of putting candy, I'm actually going to put the other fairy lights I got from the Dollar Tree and add a doily heart. And I think it turned out pretty cute.
Oh, there's something deep inside.
And finally, I added this tea towel that I used at Christmas time, and since it was red and white, I figured it would go perfectly with my Valentine's Day decor. So just something you might want to keep in mind too. There's a lot of red that we typically use in our Christmas decor, so you might want to think about using it in your Valentine's Day decor. It's a great way to save some money.
You'll get tired of my lips. That's how much they wanna kiss you. And love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell you, friend.
Finally, I'm going to add little touches of red to my family room in honor of Valentine's Day. I'm not going all out here. I'm simply adding 2 lanterns that I already had, and I'm going to fill them with the Dollar Tree garland that I bought. And then I'm going to add a garland piece that I bought recently from Home Goods that I could not resist. And if you're looking for this style of garland, they had a lot of other ones to choose from, ones that had like pink added to them. Some had like red, white, purple, and pink. Just really adorable for Valentine's Day, and I'm really happy that I came across that. And to hide this little cord hanging from my TV, I decided to use this heart from the Dollar Tree. And to dress my couches up and make them look a little festive for the holiday, I did add some of these red and white plaid pillows that I already had and a throw. And I just love how it all came together.